guys, Base Model 3 here, back with another video. I am currently driving said Base Model 3. I am en route to Adrian's shop, so we can put this roll cage in this car and then be official race car. This is the third video in the Coronacation series. As you can see, people are not social distancing because there are way too many cars on the road right now.
What's simple for me, for other people, is fucking
Tell us what's simple for you, Adrian. Tell the viewers what's simple for you.
Living is not simple.
Living.
Being alive is not simple.
Okay, we are here at Adrian's. What is the shop called, Adrian? Are we still calling it Noble?
No.
We are beginning the process of the cage.
Blue sneeze.
Blue sneeze. We have begun step 1, and that's all for this video. Thanks guys so much for watching.
Don't forget to like it.
Don't forget to like it. We have cut the back of the carpet out because the cage is going to bolt to this little part right here, so we got to make extra room. So, not sure what's next. I think today we are making the main hoop. My boy Antoine actually has a degree in art and art science.
No. General studies.
General studies.
General studies.
Can you tell us what you're doing, Antoine?
The outmost dimensions of like the floor of the car, where we can put the base plates and everything. The 30 inches is gonna be the height where the harness bar is, because that's right about where the bottom of the cutouts for the seaters, for the harnesses. So that's where our harness bar is gonna be, because their seat's in the right spot. Height, of the ceiling, 48.5 inches. And since of course the ceiling goes in, it goes down to about 40 inches at the top, and that's gonna be the top of the hoop. And I just pretty much just draw these constraints.
Where'd you get 40 inches from?
Measuring the ceiling.
Well, 48 was from the highest
48
point.
is the height.
And
40 inches is just the width at the ceiling, because of course the ceiling goes in.
Oh, okay.
And I just draw the constraints in AutoCAD, and I can just draw the cage as it is, and I just put it into a program, and it tells me where exactly to bend and how much, and it's easy.
It's just easy. I think we can accidentally finish this
Accidentally
in a weekend. Accidentally. Oh, yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be that heavy. It looked deceptively light. And then I picked it up, and I was in too deep at that point. We are here with Rob, who is finishing up the project for us.
Doing a lot of work today.
A lot of work. So yesterday, while we were hanging out with the boys, we did the harness bar, then the main diagonal for the main hoop. I didn't get to record this part because I wasn't here yet, but Adrian cut the harness bar in half using math and stuff, because the harness bar and the diagonal have to intersect. Lines up perfectly, and now all he has to do is weld the harness bar to the diagonal, and then weld diagonal to the main hoop. And then after that, we will weld the main hoop into the car, and then we can weld, what's after the main hoop?
That's right, yeah. Then the 2 straight bars back.
And then a bar across, and that's it.
Which we're still unsure if we're doing X in the back.
It's whatever. X or not, doesn't matter. X would be cooler. But yeah, so hopefully we will finish the main hoop today, and then I will return at a later date, because this is day 3, I believe. So I will return on day 4, and we will finish this puppy.
And I don't even weld anymore? Pretty decent.
This video will begin the process of welding the cage into the car. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see more Turbo Mazda 3 content.